Hello, my mathematicians. Today we are looking at Module 11, a Lesson 3, which is all about interpreting and solving division of whole number by a unit fraction. Hopefully by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to create a story context for a given equation and use a visual fraction model to represent the quotient. So it says, what problem can be solved by finding the number of 1/4 size parts in 4 wholes? And it starts by asking, what can the 4 wholes be? So we're going to say pizzas. What can the 1/4 size parts in a whole be? And it could be a serving of pizza that is 1/4 of a pizza. So this is a problem that could be solved by finding the number of 1/4 size parts in 4 wholes. So we say there are 4 pizzas. If a serving of pizza is 1/4 of a pizza, how many servings are there? So it says use a visual fraction model to represent the problem. So we're going to draw 4 circles to represent the 4 pizzas. And then we're going to cut each into fourths. This is what is the quotient and what does it represent in the context of your problem? Well, 4 times 4, there's 16. And that represents that there are 16 servings in 4 pizzas. And our equation would be 4 divided by 1/4 equals 16. So this right-order problem can be modeled by t equals 5 divided by 1/3. That's all the problem using a visual fraction model. So our word problem could be, let's see, how many walls can you paint if 1/3 gallon of paint is used for each wall and you have 5 gallons of paint. So this is use a visual model to solve it. We're going to start with our 5 gallons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to divide each into thirds, 3 equal parts, or as close to it as we can. So it says, what is a quotient and what does it represent in the context of your problem? Well, 5 times 3 is 15. And it represents that you can paint 15 walls with 5 gallons of paint. And that is all for today's lesson. Hopefully you're now able to create a story context for a given equation and use a visual fraction model to represent the quotient. Remember, in order to be a math person, all you have to do is be a person and do math.